How to shrink a volume or partition in Windows. Looking to free up space or organize your drives more efficiently on Windows 10 or 11? In this video, we'll walk you through how to shrink a volume in Windows, step by step. You'll learn how to reclaim unused disk space, create new partitions, and tackle the most common issues that can pop up along the way. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to shrink a volume in Windows 10. There are several methods you can try to shrink a volume. To shrink a volume using disk management, press Win+X and select Disk Management from the menu. Right-click the drive you want to shrink and choose Shrink Volume. If this option is grayed out, shrinking isn't available for that drive. Enter how much space, in megabytes, you want to shrink, then click Shrink. Make sure there's enough free space to shrink the volume. After shrinking, you can use the new unallocated space to create a simple volume. You can also try it using the command prompt. To do so, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type the following commands, pressing Enter after each command: diskpart, list, volume. Next, type the following, replacing number with your volume number. Select volume number, shrink query max. Now shrink the volume using one of the following commands. Shrink, this shrinks by the max allowed size. Shrink desired equals size in megabytes. This shrinks by a specific size you choose. Note, the maximum shrink size depends on available free space and unmovable files. Once complete, you can use the freed up space to create a simple volume. The final method to try is using PowerShell. Open an elevated PowerShell. Type get partition and press enter. Note the drive letter of the partition you want to shrink. Check the supported shrink size by typing get partition supported size - drive letter. Then use one of the following commands based on what you want to do next. To shrink by size in bytes. To shrink by size in kilobytes. To shrink by size in megabytes. To shrink by size in GB. To shrink by size in terabytes. Use cases for shrinking a partition. There are many benefits to resizing a partition. First, shrinking partitions helps set up dual boot systems, allowing you to run multiple operating systems like Windows and Ubuntu without them affecting each other. You can also use this method if you want to run different versions of Windows, such as Windows 7 and Windows 10. Shrinking a partition in Windows also helps free up disk space and makes managing files easier, which can improve your device's speed and performance. Managing disk space efficiently helps keep your data organized and can also enhance system performance. Shrinking partitions not only frees space, but also enables dual boot setups, better disk utilization, and virtual machine preparation. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to shrink a volume or partition in Windows, linked in the description below.